this video, I am showing you cheap Amazon gadgets for your RAM that actually solve real problems. Not random junk accessories, but simple upgrades for cleaning, storage, comfort, visibility, tire pressure, and Uconnect. And number 9 is one of those $10 gadgets people laugh at until they actually use it. If you own a RAM and want simple upgrades that make the truck easier to live with, hit subscribe while you are here. I cover useful RAM accessories, hidden features, maintenance tips, and owner tricks that can save you money and make your truck better every day. Let's get into it. Number 1, car cleaning gel. This is the sticky cleaning putty that looks like a toy, but it works surprisingly well inside a RAM. These interiors have too many places a towel cannot reach properly. Air vents, Uconnect buttons, cup holder edges, steering wheel controls, console seams, and the small gaps near the shifter all collect dust and crumbs. You press the gel into those areas, then peel it back out. It grabs dust, crumbs, hair, sand, and the gray grime that builds up in a truck people actually use. A dusty RAM interior can look much cleaner in just a few minutes. Search for car cleaning gel or detailing putty on Amazon. Most good ones cost around $6 to $12. Keep it sealed, do not use it on hot sticky screens, and throw it away once it gets dark and dirty. Number 2, a cup holder expander. RAM cup holders are decent, but the second you use a big Yeti, hydro flask, oversized coffee cup, or giant water bottle, the factory holder starts looking too small. A cup holder expander drops into the factory cup holder, then twists tight so it does not move. This is perfect for RAM owners because these trucks get used like rolling offices. Coffee in the morning, water all day, energy drinks on the road, and usually one bottle that never fits anywhere. The better expanders have an adjustable base and a wider upper cup. Some even have a small tray for keys, fries, sauce, or your phone. Search car cup holder expander or large bottle cup holder adapter. Most decent ones cost around $15 to $30. Number 3, a truck backseat air mattress. This makes the most sense if you own a Ram crew cab. The rear seat area is huge, and most owners do not use that space properly. A backseat air mattress sits across the rear seats and fills the footwell, giving you one flat sleeping surface. Most kits come with a small 12-volt air pump, so you plug it into the truck, inflate it, and in a minute or two, the back of the RAM becomes a place you can actually rest. This is useful for road trips, camping, hunting, fishing, towing, or waiting between jobs. Search truck backseat air mattress, crew cab airbed, or SUV truck inflatable mattress. Prices usually run around $35 to $80. Avoid the thinnest cheap ones if you actually plan to sleep on it. Number 4, a car trash can with a lid. It sounds boring, but it solves a problem almost every RAM owner has. These trucks turn into rolling offices fast. Coffee cups, receipts, wrappers, napkins, water bottles, and fuel receipts end up in the door pockets, under the rear seats, or stuffed into the center console. A small hanging trash can keeps all of that under control. The good ones strap behind the center console or behind the passenger seat. Get a waterproof one with a lid, because without a lid, it just becomes an open bucket of smell. Search car trash can with lid or waterproof car trash bin. Most decent ones cost around $10 to $25. If small practical upgrades like this help you, hit subscribe now because this channel is made for owners who actually use their trucks. Number 5, interior ambient LED strips. This is for owners who want the RAM interior to feel more expensive at night without paying dealer accessory money. Thin acrylic or fiber optic style LED strips can slide into dashboard seams, door trim gaps, center console edges, or footwell areas. Done right, they make the cabin look like a higher trim truck. Done wrong, they make it look cheap. The key is clean installation. Do not leave wires hanging, do not block airbags, and do not overload a cheap adapter. A thin line of blue, red, white, or amber across the dash can completely change the cabin at night. Search car ambient lighting kit, acrylic interior LED strips, or interior LED strip kit. Most usable kits cost around $20 to $50. Number 6, a portable digital tire inflator. This is one gadget every RAM owner should keep in the truck. A RAM is heavy and tire pressure matters. Low pressure hurts fuel economy, tire wear, steering feel, and towing stability. A digital inflator makes it easy. You screw the hose onto the valve stem, set the target PSI on the screen, press start, and it shuts off automatically when it reaches the number. No guessing and no broken gas station compressor. If you tow, haul, road trip, or run larger tires, this is not optional. Search portable tire inflator, digital tire inflator, or cordless tire inflator. Good ones usually cost around $35 to $90. Do not buy the absolute cheapest one for truck tires. Number 7, a rigid truck storage organizer. Ram owners always have loose gear somewhere. Tow straps, gloves, jumper cables, ratchet straps, microfiber towels, tools, hitch pins, flashlights, and bungee cords. If all of that rolls around in the cab or bed, the truck turns into a junk drawer on wheels. A good organizer fixes that immediately. Get one with stiff walls, multiple compartments, and straps so it does not slide every time you brake. Use it behind the rear seats, under a tonneau cover, or in the bed if it has tie-downs. Search truck bed organizer, drive auto trunk organizer, or collapsible car storage organizer. Most decent ones cost around $25 to $60. Number 8, a mirror dash cam with front and rear cameras. This one costs more, but it makes sense for a Ram because the truck is big and rear visibility is not always great. Passengers, cargo, tinted glass, trailers, and a loaded bed can all block your view. A smart mirror camera gives you a wide digital rear view and records both directions. That helps with parking, lane changes, backing up, and proving what happened if someone cuts across your bumper. The screen clips over the factory mirror, and the rear camera mounts near the back window, tailgate, or license plate area. Search mirror dash cam front and rear, 4K mirror dash cam, or smart rear view mirror camera. Good ones usually cost around $70 to $180. Number 9, a steering wheel tray. This is one of those gadgets people laugh at until they use it. It clips onto the lower part of the steering wheel while the truck is parked and gives you a flat surface for food, paperwork, a tablet, or a small laptop. In a Ram, it makes sense because a lot of owners use the truck like an office. Contractors, sales guys, tow drivers, delivery workers, and anyone parked between jobs can use it. Clip it on, eat lunch, write notes, or use a laptop without bouncing everything on your lap. Just remember, this is for parked use only. Do not drive with it on the wheel. Search car steering wheel tray, steering wheel desk, or eating in car table. Most cost around $10 to $25. Number 10, a wireless CarPlay adapter. A lot of Rams have wired CarPlay through Uconnect. It works, but plugging the phone in every time gets annoying. The cable gets in the way, the port gets loose, and the phone slides around the console. A wireless CarPlay adapter plugs into the truck's USB port, pairs with your phone, and then CarPlay loads wirelessly when you start the Ram. Your phone stays in your pocket, maps come up, music connects, and calls work without cable mess. Look for well-reviewed adapters and confirm compatibility with your Uconnect system. Search wireless CarPlay adapter, AutoCast wireless CarPlay, or CarLinkit adapter. Most decent ones cost around $40 to $100. So those are 10 cheap Amazon gadgets that actually make sense for Ram owners. Cleaning gel, cup holder expander, backseat air mattress, trash can, ambient lighting, tire inflator, storage organizer, mirror dash cam, steering wheel tray, and wireless CarPlay adapter. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe before you leave. I cover useful Ram accessories, hidden truck features, maintenance tips, and upgrades that make your truck easier to live with. Drop a comment and tell me which gadget you would buy first. I will see you in the next one.